Alright guys, I am going to go over raking.com and I'm going to go over the changes that need to be done. Um, as you can see right now, right here, the full picture of the website should be right here. I'm not sure why we're missing this. As well, it looks really large on my screen. The numbers right here are really large. The top bar is really large, and if we compare it to Prince's, everything's a lot smaller, a lot more concise. As you can see, this right here is the full website numbers. The smaller demand your spot, the sizing's correct on here, so we got to get the sizing changed. If we go back to the raking.com one and we go over to the style, we do not have the picture in the background, and as well the girl is cut off. So that's obviously a big deal. We got to get the girl back, and we got to get the picture back. If you can see right here, we have the full girl, and this is Prince's on Prince's server. We have the full girl, and we have the background right here. If we continue to go on, this page is okay, looks fine, is functioning fine. If we go to the Innovate page, it is not functioning well. We do not have the picture right here that needs to be here. I'm not sure why we don't have that. If we go back to this page, this is Prince's, and we have the full picture right here in the back, which is needed. So when we go back to raking.com, if we go to the ambassador program, this as well is not functioning well right here. This is supposed to be a lot more concise. It's not supposed to be a big space right here. It wasn't designed like that. I think you guys had it right the first time, so we got to change this up. Then if we move along, this looks pretty nice. This looks good. Might have to move that up a little bit. It's dragging down where you can't see it. Just some more sizing issues that we're facing. When it comes to our team, I believe we sent you guys these images right here and the descriptions. What I'll do is I'll send it again, and I'll give you the links for the Facebook and Twitter and all that good stuff, but we got to get these images in here as soon as possible so we can finish this out. So images being here is next. Our business to business like this is not good, and that has to do with sizing again. Our sizing is off big time. Like right here where Prince is, the sizing is perfect. We're not having sizing issues. But right here we're having sizing issues again. If I refresh it, then the sizing goes back. But again, the sizing needs to be fixed. See how else this functions. Then for the blog, we spoke about the blog and how we basically want to do a WordPress. And this is how the blog's going to look for us. And basically the sizing is correct right here. And this sizing is going to be key for us for this blog to look nice. And basically the only thing that's really getting changed is this top bar up here. And that's not too tough. So if we can get that changed out within the day, that'd be perfect, and implement that. And definitely, you know, right here when it comes to our blog, we definitely want the blog.raking.com. That's how we really want to name it. But this is perfect. You know, it functions well. I can show you guys a teaser one. This is how it actually looks. Has all of our tweet buttons right here, which is going to be key for us. The Facebook comment, which is great. It slides through if it has multiple pictures. Then definitely right here, how you can have your Instagram pictures as well, if we could see that. So definitely have our Instagrams hooked up to this, or YouTube's, definitely, as well as our Twitter. is going to be key for us. But I mean, it's self-explanatory. It's really simple. We're just changing out that bar and keeping the sizing the same, which is going to be key for us. Then as well, another thing that we need to implement is, I think Prince sent you guys this again, is basically the email. We got to get this email loaded up and ready to go. As soon as that user signs up, they have got to get an email. I mean, that is going to be key for us. So basically, I'll have Prince send this again, but it's just a simple email. Then basically right here, we're going to have the share tab for Twitter and the share tab for Facebook. Share your username with your friends, and I can show you an example of what that's going to look like. And that's basically going to look like this. Hi, KKR Dennis, you claimed your name. Share now. Share on Facebook. It goes straight to Facebook. A small little picture can be our logo. A small description of what we do, and they can share it. If we go back, same thing for Twitter. Straight to Twitter. Hi, I just demanded my spot. KKR Dennis at Rake and Shop. Grab your username before somebody else does. Obviously, raising the bar. Demand your spot. Then our website. HTML is going to be right here. Or not HTML, but our link is going to be right there. So that goes back to the email that we have got to get going and ready and prepped to be sent out. Then other than that, you know, those are big changes that need to be made. It's our sizing, definitely getting all of our pictures in here correctly, our email, and make sure everything functions correctly, which is going to be key for us. So that's what I got for you guys. Now you can guys see what sizing issues we're having, our emails that need to be sent out, and the Meet the Team pictures, and the ambassador program that need to be fixed. And if we can get that fixed by today, that'd be perfect, and we can close this out and we can just be done with this project completely. And as soon as you guys are done and we check it, let's just upload it to our servers. So let's get this done as soon as possible, and let's just be done with this project. And I believe we're ready to go. So that kind of happens too. But perfect. And if we check the demand your spot, sign up through Facebook. Okay, perfect. The Facebook needs to go back to the Facebook so it knows it's me. Then it goes to the rakein.com. But we'll get that figured out. Alright guys, let's get it going. Thank you.